about to meet up with my boy Arion right now. Arion got a new car recently, and I want to show you guys it. It's insane. It's probably the last thing you'd expect, honestly. Arion's my boy with the GTR. You guys have seen it in my vlogs before. It's like that light gray GTR with the blue TEs. Anyways, like I said, he got a new car. I'm about to check it out right now. It's so sick. I think Kevin might meet up with us too. We really don't got that many plans, but I'm trying to make these daily vlogs for you guys. So any little content I find, I just go out and do it. Any little opportunity, I go out and do it, guys. And that's what you guys should be doing too. Any opportunity you guys get, just go for it, bro. Can't be lazy. You don't know how bad I want to just sit inside at home and not do nothing. But I forced myself to come outside and make this content for you guys. So let's go. Like I said, I don't know what we're doing, but we're gonna meet up with them and see where the day goes. So maybe I saw in the beginning of the video, I'll be watching some motivational stuff all the time, guys. It's not a bad idea to listen to some motivational stuff while you're driving. Like I said, I just wasn't feeling like vlogging today, but I had to get myself out here. Oh my God, I think I see the car already. Bro, that shit is crazy. What the Arion also hasn't seen my car yet, so oh my God. So we both got new cars. Bro, why are a lot of homies getting new cars right now? He got a new car. My friend Rick got a Camaro in the last couple vlogs. Who else got a new car? Bro, someone else got one too. Oh, Nico got a GTR. A bunch of people. Holy crap, bro. This car is insane. I want everyone to comment down below right now, what car do you think Arion got? Again, it's something that you probably never expect for somebody to have, a regular civilian to have. That's what I'm gonna say. There's literally no way, bro. Bro, that shit is crazy. I'll trade you right now. There's no way you're driving down the street like this.
That's not legal.
Arion, hi.
What's up,
how are you?
How are you?
Apis?
What's up, Apis?
Hi, how are you?
Good, brother. How are you?
For real?
Sick, bro.
No, it's okay, I don't want it.
No, I literally got, I can't.
For real? That's a lot of food. 5'8".
Congrats, dude.
You like it?
Holy shit.
That shit's nice, huh?
Beautiful.
I'm back in a Beamer.
Yeah, sadly, bro. Fuck.
Sadly?
And you know how to do the manuals?
I know, the manual's so fun, bro. And the wheels are good, huh?
It's beautiful, bro.
It's on wheels, coilovers. That shit's sick.
Bro, the spec, like, you know, like some F80s have fucking T's.
Yeah.
But like their specs aren't like
this
perfect.
one is like perfect, bro.
Yeah, bro.
This fitment's sick.
Like, look at the back fucking wheel, bro.
And a stick shift.
Oh, bro, it's beautiful. Congrats.
Thank you.
You deserve it, bro.
But look at this thing, though. Arion really picked this thing up. Bro, there's no way you're driving this. It's cool, like it drives normal, like a normal car. Yeah. I feel like I don't know, bro. I don't even know what to expect. That is insane.
Straight
you
from
think?
the military.
That's what I was about to. You think it's actually been in war and stuff?
Bro, so I was cleaning when I bought it. I was cleaning it out and shit. There was like bolts and stuff. I found a couple 5.56 bullets. Bro.
No way.
Yeah.
So maybe it has been through some shit.
It's been in some shit, but I don't know what.
Damn, that's crazy. No way, bro.
Did you find some bullets or something and stuff? Yeah.
That's crazy. Yeah, Arion got a freaking Humvee, guys. Like straight out of Call of Duty. That's insane. Look how small my F80 looks next to it. And look how he parked. There's no way. But it's so crazy. I would really bring that to like all the car events and stuff.
Bro, honestly.
Why don't you?
I'll start bringing it.
That shit is sick, bro. I'd rather drive that than my GTR.
So this is the weird thing, bro. Like,
what?
you drive it on the street, people trip the fuck out. I swear, like, I don't know. I've never driven an Aventador before.
I think it probably gets more attention, huh?
No, not more.
No?
But like,
just as much?
like, probably just as much, bro. Because everyone looks at you like, what the fuck? They trip out. They think the army's here or something. Like something's going down.
They think something's happening, huh?
Yeah.
Bro, that is crazy.
I swear, it gets more looks than my GTR, bro. I put it out.
Bro, this is so sick. I told him he should take it to like car meets and stuff, guys. Imagine this next to like a bunch of cars. I don't know. I would bring it everywhere, to be honest. But it's just wide, huh? How the fuck did that fit in a lane?
Can I drive on top of your hood?
Do it.
Seriously?
You literally could crush my car right now if you wanted to.
So the brakes on this car, it's not like your typical brakes where the rotors are over there. It's right in the middle.
What the?
Do you see it?
I don't know. I think so. Oh yeah, I see.
Yeah,
this
right
is the brake.
Right in the middle, bro.
That is weird. What the heck? That's insane.
And these are basically you hook the helicopter. Let's say you're stuck somewhere.
Yeah.
The helicopter comes, hooks it on, and takes you.
No way,
Let's
bro.
do something. Get a helicopter.
We probably could, honestly. I swear we probably could do it, huh?
Bro, I'm serious.
Where would the other shafts go? Just in the front?
Front end right here.
Oh, those things, huh? Bro, what if we actually do that for a video?
We could.
My dad works on helicopters, guys. What if we can get like a helicopter and the Hummer and do some crazy shit with it? Lift it in the air.
Yeah.
Bro, I swear we could probably do it.
You just need like a big helicopter.
I think my dad has a big one at the hangar right now. Like a big one, bro.
But we have to sit in it.
Imagine sitting in here. Can I drive it? Or is it hard to drive?
No, you could.
For real?
Yeah.
What the heck, bro? I really wanted to show you guys this. Do you even drive the GTR anymore? Or you just drive this shit?
I just shuffle around, honestly.
Look who else pulled up, guys. Kevin and M4. Well, you literally can run us over. Like nothing.
I think so.
It's so crazy. What would you guys rather have? A freaking military Hummer or an M3? Bro, honestly, this shit is sick.
Trade me, bro.
I've always wanted one. Should we trade, guys?
Alright, let's hop in.
Can we drive it for real? Let me drive it. For real? Can you run over anything?
Yeah.
Can I do it?
What do you want to run over?
I just want to run something over, bro. That's my goal.
Over your car. I don't know. What do you want to run over?
Blue lives matter?
Oh, yeah, 100%. What are you talking
Do you even get pulled over in this?
about? No, blue lives matter. What are you talking about?
I feel like even if you got pulled over, the cops would be like, just give me a thumbs up. They will not say shit.
They all smile at me when I pass them.
Literally want to drive this around and just see what people think.
Let's go in Glen Oaks.
I'm driving it.
Dude, this car reminds me of like the from like Halo
How
and
the fuck
shit.
do you
You know?
get Halo?
Is there
Call of Duty?
Is there CarPlay in here?
Hold on.
Full screen CarPlay?
Is it air conditioning or no?
I was literally saying that. Is that air?
No way.
Think of it like an E30 M3, but a pickup truck, you know?
Wait, they're bulletproof?
Crazy.
Yeah, dude.
Do you really think they're bulletproof or no?
I don't know.
Should we try it?
No, bro.
I like this. Shit's dope, bro.
Lock your cars. Let's go.
I'll shoot it real quick. Damn. Alright guys, we're gonna whip this thing around.
Fucking crash into someone, bro.
Why?
7,000 pounds.
We'll kill someone, huh? No way we're driving the Hummer right now, guys. Where the heck's the gas pedal? Bro, where's the gas pedal at? No way, dude. God, look how much room is in here.
This is sick. Can I lay right? Can I sit here actually?
What?
Alright, you gotta show me how to use this. I don't know.
Okay, so this is the e-brake.
Okay.
So pull it down. Put your foot on the brake. Okay. Hold it like this and slam it forward.
What
And
the?
then put it to drive. So one down. And then
Oh my god, I forgot we're on the curb. Bro, there's no way. This is the craziest freaking thing ever.
Are your mirrors good?
I don't know. It doesn't matter, I'll just run someone over.
Can you see from this side?
No. Bro, imagine this shit Rodeo. We should take it. Bro, this is crazy.
Dude, this is my first time ever being one.
Yeah, I've never been in one either.
Get him! Get him! Ba, 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 ba.
Yo.
Can we drift it?
I wish, bro. It's four-wheel drive, bro.
This is crazy.
Go over it. There's no lip. Step on it.
I'm all going slow, like I'm driving at F80. I forgot you can go over anything.
Hey, run this car over! Run this car over!
Bro, I legit could, huh?
That's it.
Honestly, again, I've never driven the Aventador, but I feel like it's almost the same.
That's it.
as
Yeah, you don't see me.
Like, I don't know. Again, I've never gotten that many looks on a car that any of the cars I've owned.
This way? I don't even know.
Yeah. You can go.
I'm gonna fast.
Oh shit! No! Oh my god!
Yo!
What's up? Yo! Bro. Everybody looks at me.
It's honestly a cruiser, bro. Literally.
Yeah, it's a cruiser car.
Like, think of it like you're driving. You have a classic car, like those old Chevelles or some shit. You just cruise it, bro.
Bro, I want to buy one.
Yeah, one.
I swear to God, I'll buy one. Look, we found more. Well, it looks like we just stole it from there. There's really another Hummer right there. Same color and everything. Look where we're at, guys. We're really at a real military base. Brought the Hummer to a real military base. Imagine they opened the gate for us. What do you think the trip?
We'll just sign up real quick, I guess.
There's no way we're actually driving this. Guys, look how badass it looks. Like, honestly, it's one of the most badass cars I've ever seen. I want to take it somewhere cool, guys. Imagine how much videos we can make. We can make so many videos with this thing. I'm sending it to Arian. Let's do more stuff with it. He's down too, so maybe we'll take it to like Rodeo Drive or something, or I don't know. Comment down below. What else do you guys want to see us do with the Hummer? We pretty much have a Humvee, bro. Straight out the military.
I feel like these are like Call of Duty stuff.
Put a gun back here. I know, that's what I was saying.
Literally.
Let us know what you guys want to see. We'll make some crazy content with it. Some crazy videos. The ideas are endless. Number one, I think we should take it to Rodeo Drive. 2, I want to run some shit over. 3, I don't know. That one's sick.
The doors have the fucking things on it.
You could tell, huh? That one definitely is all bulletproof, guys. It's crazy to see that. Hey, we're practically driving one on the street.
I was honestly looking to buy one of these too,
Bro,
bro.
stop.
Dude,
you have a collection of these?
I swear, bro. These are sick, bro.
Oh. This shit is crazy. They definitely think we stole it. Alright, guys, we found the most populated place we could find to take the Hummer to see people's reactions. It's so funny,
Look, tripping out. Honk it, honk a little more. Everybody just stares.
Oh, yeah, actually.
I swear people are looking, bro.
Everybody tripped out.
Oh, supercharged! Okay, I can't see it.
Victory?
Yeah.
Dude, I like, hey, come here.
What the fuck? Look at all the speakers. That's crazy. I said he spent $8,000 on these speakers, guys.
What the? Oh, hell, I wouldn't have gotten here.
Bro, I don't know if you guys remember, but he's the one with that Gallardo that was drifting the last time in the vlog. And he was swinging it. That's him, bro. Supposedly he wants to do something very crazy right now. What the?
What the? No way. Bro. Like that. Like nothing.
Bro.
Dude. Bro, like it's nothing.
There's no way. Look at all the speakers. That shit is sick. Oh, a stick shift, what the heck? Alright guys, we're hopping on the freeway in the Hummer. There's no way. Let's see how fast it's going. What is that?
The fans!
There's no way, dude. I'm scared to go with him, bro.
Bro, just go. Quick.
Now we're gonna hop into Ike's Jeep. I'm going in the front?
Yeah, you go in the front.
There's no way. It's stick shift too, that's crazy. Bro! Oh my god, dude. It's really like a little Polaris Razor.
I treat it like one.
I know you really
the way
do.
I drive. What's there to be scared about? Come on, guys.
Oh my god, bro.
What's there to be scared about?
There's no way.
That's worse than a roller coaster, bro.
Bro, we just wall rided the Jeep. I was trying to look in the mirror, there's no mirror. We were behind him, now we're in the car, so.
Oh, was this our exit? Oh, fuck, I missed it, bro.
Oh, I'm so scared.
Ah, fuck, we missed it. We missed it.
Bro, Ike is crazy, dude.
I was like, what the fuck were these?
I was gonna say, what is like the normal people thinking probably? Bro, that Hummer is so sick. It literally looks like straight out of a video game or something. Look how wide it is. Bro, this is sick driving with no doors. It's like the perfect vlog car right here. You got all the rollers. That shit is sick.
Bro, you guys know you guys climbed that wall in front of a CHP?
Was there really a cop?
Bro, he didn't know what to do. He just went straight.
I guess the cop saw us wall ride that thing,
I
guys.
wish I was recording, but
We literally rode up there. That's the wall we went on. Oh.
like the
Dude.
suspension takes it so smooth, bro.
This thing is insane too.
I love the doors.
This is literally like an off-road vlog now.
My fucking I'm not done with this. There's a kit, the fenders get replaced and it connects all together.
Oh, that'd be sick. I don't know if you guys were able to see all of that because it's very dark out, but we wall rided the freeway and then we literally exited. I don't know, you guys saw. It was insane. That was crazy, bro. Yeah, everything Hike drives is crazy. Anyways, very different vlog than usual, bro. We guys are driving a Hummer, we guys are driving a Jeep, and me and Kevin left our M3s right here. Ike said that next time we'll do it in the daytime so you guys are able to see more. We'll get better content, but yeah, he got new suspension, new speakers, and it literally goes over anything, bro. Pretty much like that. That thing will go over anything too. 2JZ or what?
There goes the rocks.
Can't even see, but big old diesel engine. I swear I would drive this to like car meets and stuff like that. Or even to like the beach and cruise. Like it's so fun to cruise in here with all your friends. Make the inside all nice and stuff. But I'll leave the outside looking like this for sure. Get all the attention. Kevin's car is so loud. Anyways, that was a very different vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed that vlog. That was insane, bro. I don't even know what I filmed. Like I said, I had no plans today. I literally just came out, met up with the homies, and just seen what happened. Ariane in the Hummer. The freaking military Hummer. Bro, watch out! That fool will run my car over. The homie Hike in the crazy ass freaking Jeep. Hike is the most craziest driver ever, guys. I'll put a clip in right here. This one he had his Gallardo. He did this crazy drift into a 7-Eleven parking spot. It was insane, watch. Oh my God, bro. 7-Eleven trip. There's no way, bro. You're crazy. I don't even know what to say, bro. That is insane. My boy parked it perfect too. How did you park it so perfectly? As you guys could tell, anything he gets in, he's crazy, bro. Oh, we also raced him on the motorcycle once in the 1000R BMW. I remember that too.
Until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.